What America Means to Me by Daryl Phillip. Hi, I am Daryl, and I will be talking about what America means to me. When I think of America, I think of freedom, the U.S. flag, and the Star-Spangled Banner. My parents migrated from a different country, and they said it is very hard to live in other countries. I am very thankful to live in America where it is free. In other countries, there is no clean water and there is no electricity. I'm also thankful that I have the freedom of speech, freedom of press, and freedom of religion. There is a quote of freedom that really stands out to me, and it says, "Freedom is never given, it is won." By A. Philip Randolph. I personally chose this quote because when we fought for our freedom against the British, we did not just get freedom, we had to fight for it. When I pledge allegiance to the U.S. flag, I think of how united our country is. We have 50 stars on the flag that represents the states. All of the stars are together and not separated. Think of team sports. You can't defeat a soccer team by yourself. You need other team players. Patrick Henry says, "United we stand, divided we fall." This is a good quote, because if you are in a battle just like the Revolutionary War, you need other people to help you. When I say the Star-Spangled Banner, I think of victory. I also think of defeating an enemy or winning a very important thing. When me and my brothers want the same thing, we do something like rock, paper, scissors, and the winner gets the thing. Publilius Cyrus says, "Where there is unity, there is always victory." When we are together, we can win anything. I personally don't know any veterans, but in class we have read about some veterans that have sacrificed their life for us. My mom's uncle was a veteran of a different country. It must be very hard to serve because you have to leave your family and go through hard times. Thank you, veterans. To me, America means freedom, the U.S. flag, and the Star-Spangled Banner. When I think of freedom, I think of America. When I think of the U.S. flag, I think of the 50 states. When I think of the Star-Spangled Banner, I think of victory. This is what America means to me.